Hi, I'm Mark Emily on behalf of ExpertVillage. In this segment, I'm going to give you an overview of the Hefeweizen style. There are a couple of different Hefeweizens out there, but in this case we're going to be actually talking about a Weiss beer. For a Weiss beer, we're going to start getting a little hazy in our color, and then also getting down to a strong, nice golden color. There's going to be on the aroma some nice phenols, maybe some clove, some fruity esters like banana. And then after that you're going to feel some of the nice malts and then a noble German hop, which is kind of a floral, kind of aromatic hop. You also might be able to pull out some of the wheat aromas from this beer. For the flavor, we're going to immediately pick up some of that nice banana and clove aromas, or clove flavors that come out of the yeast strain that we're going to be using. There may be some nice kind of soft bready and grainy flavors to this. Overall, the hop flavor contributions are pretty low, and the bitterness also is pretty low as well. This beer is going to be showcasing kind of the phenols that are kind of come out from the banana and the clove. Overall, this should be a nice kind of spicy but also refreshing wheat-based ale.